Ready? Dyno Bob here. I want to show you typically what happens during an engine failure. You'll get debris circulating back through your rotor pack, and it's going to look pretty nasty. But more often than not, we can refurbish the rotors, file them, add a little weld, rebuild the rotor pack, clearance it, phase it. It'll be like new. The case gets scratched up at the same time, which we can smooth that out and blueprint the case, but we'll have a little scratching. Typically, you may see up to maybe a pound of boost loss. I'd say at the worst case scenario. But we can get you up and running at a rebuild cost. And one of the biggest factors, if they're repairable or not, are the actual drive gears. At times, if a big enough chunk gets in between here, it can kind of jar this case where the bearings is. Then we might have an issue where it cannot be rebuilt. But more often than not, yeah, we refurbish these. And I get a lot of customers calling, just kind of say, well, it's junk. Most times it isn't. Most of the time we fix them right up. They're back on the road, at a fair price. So it's something to consider. If you do have a blown up one, send it in with your name and phone number. We'll look at it, no cost, and take it from there. It's definitely worth your while. Thanks.